Hello everybody, welcome to another video in my backyard. We have a beautiful sunny day, 16 degrees. You could probably hear people out and about doing their thing. It has been cold, it has been wet, and there are signs of spring coming around, which is great. So I'm going to do a little bit of a harvest today. One of the potato pots has suddenly died on me, but I've still got two more here. I've got the red one here, white potatoes there. I don't think anything's growing in that section there because of the shade. It's the only thing that I can think of. And I'm trying to add a pop of colour in the garden. I was even thinking of painting that one. I found some paint in the back of the cupboard. I might give it a crack. So I think I better do something called gardening today. I don't know what. Okay. So, did you see my lovely Ugg boots? I don't dress up for YouTube. Stuff that for a joke. Okie dokie peoples. I hope you can see up here because, yes, I left all the other stuff here. I still haven't cleaned up. So, we've got a tiny little bit of a potato harvest here. I don't know if anything's going to come of this because the leaves did not do very, very well at all. If there's anything in there, I'd be fine and dandy. If there's not, it's been going since March this year. And this one might be a fail. Right? Okay, I'll take that. I think that's all I got. One tiny potato. Oh dear. Just as well we had a good one last time, eh? Yeah? Just as well. That's the seed potato there, done and dusted. I'll have to get rid of that. It's not a bad sized potato. Grown in the shade. I hope that pot of red potatoes is going to be a lot better. I'm going to have to wait till November, October, December. I don't know. What month is it? What year is it? Over here though, this will make up for it. We have lemons that the ants are calling over. Look at this one. Oh, you are beautiful. If you don't mind, I'm going to cut you off. Now that's a lemon, folks. You know that U2 song? She wore lemon, colour of the daylight. Yes, I shouldn't give up my day job. Whatever that is. I don't really work as such. I've had a lot of bad experiences in the workforce, and I'm trying to stay away from that. If you're going to fall in, the ants are about everywhere today. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Sometimes when you think you haven't got anything in the garden, and I keep saying this, when you haven't got anything in the garden, you've got something. I'm still trying to hang on to these little buds here. Actually, I'm going to cut that branch off because it's all dead and dusted. The tree's barely surviving as it is. So I don't know about this tree. Oh, we've got another one up here. There we go. Maybe it's not so dead. Oh, that sun's nice and warm. That sun is nice and warm. We've had a very extremely cold winter. So yeah, red onion.